Hi, everyone, and welcome to the PegEx podcast. We cover a wide range of topics in these podcasts, including environmental issues, technology tips to help you grow your business, and tips to keep you out of trouble with the EPA, DOT, OSHA, and others. My name is Michael Bryant. Today we're talking about waste profile software. For environmental service providers, the waste profile is a critical document that helps ensure your EPA regulatory compliance. Waste profiles are also necessary for clear communication with treatment, storage, and disposal facilities, known as TSDFs. Improper preparation of this document can expose your firm to risks such as potential EPA fines, staff resource drains, and TSDF relationship friction. There are a number of ways to prepare this documentation. However, none are as efficient and accurate as using waste profile software. Let's examine the importance behind the waste profile and how to prepare this critical regulatory document. The EPA requires management companies to create a hazardous waste profile for any instance of hazardous waste removal. This document must be prepared and presented to the TSDF before you ship your waste. The TSDF won't accept any waste shipment without prior authorization, and the waste profile is an essential component to this process. The waste profile is a detailed description of waste contents to inform the TSDF that will receive, treat, or dispose of the waste. The waste profile contains specific codes and other data to comply with the EPA's Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, known as RCRA, such as listed hazardous waste codes, F, K, P, or U codes, or characteristic codes, the D codes. As hazardous waste may have complex physical properties, the waste profile must be able to describe a wide range of waste characteristics. For example, in one section of the waste profile, certain properties of the waste are described by color, odor, physical state at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, phases, pH, liquid flash point at various temperatures, boiling point, and total organic carbon. Another critical section of the waste profile is the RCRA characterization information, which includes specific waste definitions and codes. There is no universal standard waste profile form, which in itself implies certain risks. If critical fields are excluded or incomplete, you run the risk of having the waste shipment request rejected by the TSDF or experiencing EPA compliance issues. Also, these forms are complex. Training staff to fill them out correctly is time-consuming. Waste profile generation places specific demands upon your waste service entity, such as correct form type selection, correct, complete, and accurate form generation, correct and accurate form completion, knowledgeable staff, staff time investment. Waste profile software addresses these concerns by automating the process online. Multiple forms and form fields are preloaded into the platform, which makes for faster and more accurate completion. The advantages apply to every level of form preparation, from selection to completion to delivery. The waste profile generating software is a component of a comprehensive business management software platform built specifically for waste service companies. These tools help streamline and centralize a wide variety of business processes. For instance, when you want to create a waste profile, you click on the Waste Profile button and are presented with a drop-down list of options for multiple types of profiles to choose from. Instead of sorting through a bunch of files looking for the right form, everything is right there at your disposal. Once you select the appropriate form, all important fields become visible for completion, including identifiers such as generator and customer information, as well as ID codes and numbers. For repeat customers, their data can be stored electronically and the form is completed automatically. Next, all waste characteristic fields are in front of you to fill in data or to click on appropriate checkboxes. When compared to filling out a form manually or even versus a spreadsheet, the time savings is significant. Forms can be quickly downloaded in PDF format to be forwarded to the TSDF by email. Quick printing allows for a copy to be attached to the waste manifest, so transporters leave with a complete and perfectly matched information stack. The same technology that powers waste profile software can also benefit other core business functions, such as sales management. This provides insight into the sales pipeline and quota tracking. It also includes rapid quote building tools. Customer management. This improves customer relationships and provides centralized customer data across all company teams. Operations management. This tracks job progress and stores job-related documents, such as safety data sheets, waste profiles, and e-manifests. Finance tracking. This tracks job-related financial information and integrates with accounting software and online invoice payment systems. The end result is a centralized, streamlined business management command center. Similar advantages seen in the waste profile documentation can be realized across the board to extend the benefit throughout your organization. Business software packages of this sort that are installed on-premise involve hardware and require specialized IT support. Plus, the initial capital expenditure can be large. Conversely, cloud computing business management platforms can be rolled out much faster and with no additional hardware or server installation. This reduces startup costs exponentially. Plus, the platform can be accessed via any internet connection, making it ideal for today's mobile workforce. Additionally, system updates and maintenance are included in the software service packages, which reduces your company's overall IT workload. Creating a system from scratch requires specialized know-how and large amounts of capital. Even the largest firms typically outsource the work to software-as-a-service providers. Like every sector, the waste industry is being transformed by digital tools that accelerate business operations and improve decision-making. Forward-thinking companies are quickly leveraging these solutions to win more business. The SaaS industry is one of the largest in the world, and the number of providers is nearly limitless. One of the reasons is that a one-size-fits-all solution does not exist. Every sector, including waste management and environmental services, has its own intricacies to consider. The waste profile is one example where specific industry knowledge is required. Software is only a tool, and it must be tailored to fit the context. For this reason, waste management firms should seek solutions from providers intimately familiar with the waste sector. This helps ensure that the software meets your specific regulatory and operational demands. Improve your waste management company's performance with business management software built specifically for your industry. Call PegEx at 888-681-9616 or contact us online at PegEx.com. Thanks for listening. We hope you found this information useful. If you have an idea for a topic you'd like for us to cover, drop us a line at podcasts@PegEx.com. Thanks.